Today, we're diving deep into the latest developments surrounding Nikon's highly anticipated mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z8 II. With a blend of confirmed updates, industry rumors, and expert analyses, this comprehensive overview aims to provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information available as of April 2025. Nikon Z8 II, the next evolution in mirrorless technology. The Nikon Z8, released in 2023, set a new standard for hybrid cameras, combining high-resolution imaging with advanced video capabilities. As we look forward to the Z8 II, expectations are high for Nikon to build upon this foundation, integrating cutting-edge technology to meet the evolving needs of photographers and videographers alike. Tech Radar anticipated features and enhancements. Advanced image processing rumors suggest that the Z8 II will feature Nikon's next-generation image processor, potentially the XED8. This upgrade is expected to deliver faster performance, improved noise reduction, and enhanced dynamic range, catering to both still photography and high-resolution video recording. Enhanced autofocus system building on the Z8's autofocus capabilities. The Z8 II is anticipated to incorporate AI-driven subject detection, offering more precise tracking of faces, eyes, animals, and fast-moving objects. This would be particularly beneficial for wildlife and sports photographers seeking reliable focus in dynamic environments. Superior video capabilities. The Z8 II is expected to push video performance further, potentially offering 8K recording at 60 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second. Such enhancements would provide filmmakers and content creators with greater flexibility and creative options in post-production. Integrated ND filters. One of the standout rumors is the inclusion of built-in neutral density ND filters. This feature would allow photographers and videographers to manage exposure in bright conditions without the need for external filters, streamlining the shooting process. Refined ergonomics and build quality. While the Z8 was praised for its robust magnesium alloy construction, the Z8 II may adopt lighter materials such as carbon fiber to reduce weight without compromising durability. Additionally, ergonomic improvements, including redesigned button layouts and customizable controls, are anticipated to enhance user experience. Expected release. Timeline industry insiders suggest that Nikon may adopt a conservative approach in 2025, focusing on refining existing models rather than launching new ones. As such, the Z8 II's release could be slated for 2026, allowing Nikon to incorporate advanced technologies and respond to market demands effectively. Pricing and market positioning. The original Z8 was competitively priced at $3,999, offering professional-grade features at a more accessible price point compared to rivals. If Nikon maintains a similar pricing strategy for the Z8 II, it could attract a broader user base, including professionals and enthusiasts seeking high-performance mirrorless cameras. Firmware updates and ongoing support. Nikon has demonstrated a commitment to enhancing its camera lineup through firmware updates. For instance, the Z8 received significant updates, including pixel shift technology, improved autofocus, and expanded video features. It's reasonable to expect that the Z8 II will benefit from similar ongoing support, ensuring longevity and adaptability in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Wikipedia latest developments and industry context. In recent months, Nikon has introduced the Z5 II, featuring a 24.5mm sensor, Expeed 7 processor, and advanced autofocus capabilities. This release indicates Nikon's focus on enhancing its mirrorless lineup across various market segments. Additionally, Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema underscores its commitment to advancing video technology, which could influence the Z8 II's feature set. Nikon rumors current deals and recommendations. For those considering an immediate upgrade, the Nikon Z8 remains a formidable option, now available at a reduced price of $3,396.95 at select retailers. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, robust build quality, and advanced video capabilities continues to make it a top choice for professionals. Tech Radar final thoughts. The Nikon Z8 II represents a significant step forward in mirrorless camera technology, promising enhancements that cater to the diverse needs of modern photographers and videographers. While its release may not be imminent, The anticipated features and improvements suggest that it will be well worth the wait for those seeking cutting-edge performance and versatility.